Ooh, I can cook that. If we can't go to New York's most exciting hotel experience, then I'll have to bring the Plaza Hotel to me. If you like making foods from your favorite movies, books, games, and more, don't forget to flip that sub button to keep your feed fed. We'll start with a homemade pizza dough rolled New York thin. Then we'll melt butter and add garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning before brushing it onto the crust from edge to edge. Then ladle on some pizza sauce. Don't spread it on too thick. A nice even layer is enough. This pizza is all about the cheese. No other toppings. Kevin McCallister style. Bake on a preheated pizza stone until nice and crispy, and serve courtesy of the Plaza Hotel. It's so good, there's a lot more where that came from. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post almost every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully my computer will be fixed by next week. Happy holidays!